The default layout of Breakdance has the Elements Properties panel on the left and other options like your structure and your global settings to the right, but you can switch the panels around. To position the panels to a workflow that suits you best, go to the top toolbar and select the 3 dots and then go to Preferences. Under Preferences, scroll down and panel positions appear here. These are the default settings. Your add and your element properties, even though they appear to be combined, you can move them to the right if that is your choice, and then add all of your panels to the right. The same can be done for those on the right. With my structure panel open, let's go to Preferences, and we can move the structure to the left. Same for your history revisions, your global settings, and selectors. The default settings work well for me, but this may be something that you want to adjust if you are used to different positioning from other page builders and your personal preferences. The choice is yours. And that's a wrap. To support this channel, a heartfelt like would be great. In addition, you can visit us at w4b.io and remember to check out the complete courses for Breakdance.